Welcome back, guys. Hopefully, by now you have logged into your new Chromebook that you're going to be using this year at WCHS. We look forward to starting and piloting this new program. So, we're going to learn about some things that you're going to be using with these Chromebooks. And the first thing we're going to look at is Google Chrome. Google Chrome is Google's version of a web browser, just like we have Safari and Firefox and Internet Explorer. And so, because you're going to be using other Google services, using Google Chrome, it just makes it easier. So that's what I recommend is that you use Google Chrome. First thing you need to make sure is that you launch Google Chrome. Probably on your Chromebook, there is a toolbar down in the bottom left-hand corner, somewhere about right here, and it has the little Chrome symbol that looks like this right here. And so you need to make sure you click on that. Now, because you signed into your Chromebook, you should not have to sign into Chrome. However, if you use Google Chrome on another device, you're going to want to make sure that you're signed in because there are things that you can personalize with Chrome that will require you to sign in to have those things. So you want to make sure that you're signed in. So hopefully you see your name over here in the top left-hand corner. If you don't, you should see a blue sign in bar there, and you just click it and just sign in, and it gets you signed into Chrome. And you'll begin to see all of your bookmarks and extensions, which we'll talk about here in just a second. You'll see those pop up if you have any of those already. Okay, the first thing we're going to look at is how do you bookmark things in Chrome. Bookmarking things in Chrome, you want to make sure those are things that you, websites or web pages that you visit frequently. Some of the ones you'll notice in my bookmark toolbar, that's what we call this. You'll notice that I have some things bookmarked. I have the sign into my email bookmarked. I have my Google Drive bookmarked. I have my Infinite Campus bookmarked. I have the school's district web page bookmarked. So I have things that I'm going to use a lot bookmarked because I don't want to have to search those out every time. All right, so right here in this area is your Chrome extension toolbar, and we'll be talking about those. Those are things that add to Chrome, make it easier for you to use Chrome. And so as you add those, they will appear here, and you can see Miss Corbin loves Chrome extensions because she has several. All right, to the right of that are 3 dots. On my screen, it may be 3 bars on yours. If you click on that, the drop-down menu appears. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you will see bookmarks. So you can bookmark a page. You have to go to the page that you want bookmarked, and then you would simply go over here to your 3 dots and scroll down to bookmarks, and you would hit bookmark this page, and it's going to appear over here in your bookmark toolbar. You'll also see a list of all your bookmarks here. And then this one is the greatest thing. Miss Corbin loves this. Open all bookmarks. So if I'm going to use these things every day, I can come in and I can go down to open all bookmarks, hit open all bookmarks. It's going to open all of them all at one time. All right, so now we're going to move back up to Bookmark Manager. All right, let's say that you've got a bookmark up here that you don't want to use anymore, or maybe you've gotten bookmark happy and you have bookmarked everything, and so this up here is full, and you're like, I've got to clean some of this out. So you can go to Bookmark Manager, and it lists all of your bookmarks. So if there are some you want to get rid of, you just hover over it, and it turns blue. And if you go all the way to the right, a little inverted triangle is on the right. You click on it, and another drop-down menu comes up, and it lets you, if you scroll down, you can delete it. Okay, so you can also arrange your bookmarks in folders and all that if you're super duper organized. So that is a feature that you can do as well. All right, so now we need to look at Chrome extensions. Okay, what is a Chrome extension? A Chrome extension runs along with Chrome and just makes it easier for you to use. Now, if this is your first time using Chrome, you probably don't have any Chrome extensions. If you do, they will show up right here. But let's talk about where you go to get these. All right, if you click over on the left-hand side of your screen right here, it says apps. Now, when you click on this, you're going to see a lot of apps pop up that you may use frequently. But one of those is called the Web Store. So if you click on that, and Miss Corbin's going to have to pause here and log back in. So I will be right back. Okay, I'm back now. Okay, so I've gotten the Chrome Web Store pulled up, and there are different things that you can search in the Chrome Web Store, but today we want to look at the extensions. So if you click on extensions, then you can see that there are a lot of Chrome extensions. And so you may be just looking to see what kind of Chrome extensions there are. There are categories. So if there's, certain ones, like if you just want to see extensions that have been created by Google, you can click Google here, by Google here, and it will sort all of those. But most of the time, it probably will be your teachers that are wanting you to enable a Chrome extension. So let's take one, for example, EasyBib is probably one that probably your English teachers will suggest that you get, and I would highly recommend that as well. And so you can just search for it, and there'll be some options come up. And of course, this top one, EasyBib toolbar, that's the one I want. Now you notice over here, my button here is green. That means I already have it. I've already downloaded it. If you don't have it, then you have the blue button that has a plus sign and says add to Chrome. Once you click that blue button, it will pop up with a confirmation. You confirm it, and then you'll notice that you'll get a new icon over here in your extension toolbar. Okay, and the EasyBib one looks like a little orange book. And so those will run within your Chrome browser. Now, you can look and see all of your extensions if you click on your three dots again and go down to More Tools and over to Extensions. It will list your extensions. And you see Miss Corbin loves extensions. Love, love, love them. So I have quite a few, and you'll notice that most of mine are enabled. They've got this checked box here under enabled. If you'll notice down here on Google Hangouts, I have it disabled right now, and all you have to do is click on it to disable it. Clicked on Add Block Plus to disable. If I want to enable, I just click it again. And if I decide that I don't want that extension at all, instead of just disabling it, I can choose to put it in the trash. So that is a list of all the extensions that you will begin to create as you're a student here at Webster County High School. Also, too, if you click right here, here's some settings that you can go into if you want to customize some things, or you want to get a certain theme, you can do some of those things there. All right, so that's about using Chrome and getting some extensions and those sorts of things. Now we're going to move on to the Google Drive. We'll be doing that in our next tutorial. So I will give you a little minute to catch your breath, and I will see you soon.